Hi, welcome to Realz product reviews. I review anything from home, fashion, fitness, and beauty. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button below and become part of my community. So I'm into clean eating lately, and I've been trying to find better for me products that I can put into my body. And I am very excited about today's product. Thank you so much for sending me this product. It is a kimchi hot sauce, and I have never tried a kimchi hot sauce. I've tried kimchi like the cabbage that is kind of pickled and it's super delicious, but as a hot sauce that's sweet and spicy, never done that before. And what's the good thing about this product? It is gluten-free, so if you have gluten issues, gluten-free, non-GMO ingredients. It's vegan, so some sauces are not vegan. They have like fish in there or beef or other animal products. And this one has all the ingredients you can pronounce on the back. So things like water, cane sugar, dried chili pepper, distilled vinegar, sea salt, crushed garlic, and ginger and xanthan gum. So all natural ingredients, only 5 calories for 1 tablespoon. So they have a few different items, and I could have picked up different flavors, but I decided I wanted to try something I've never tried before. So I'm gonna make a stir fry with this. I have my veggies, so onions and some peppers, and then I also have some tempeh. So I'm gonna fry all this up, put some sauce on it, and let's read the back of it because it actually has some great stuff on here. So it was inspired by their grandmother, and they go to use fresh ingredients and spices to make bold, flavorful sauces. And so you can do this as a marinade, which is, I'm gonna put mine on my veggies once I'm done. You can dip it, you can add it a condiment, you can put it on burgers, toss it on wings, add it to fresh vegetables. You don't have to cook it. And so you could use it in quite a variety of different ways. And so as I mentioned before, you could basically read all the ingredients on here. So I don't have another kimchi, but I do have some other sauces in my house. So before I started doing clean eating and looking at ingredients, I just used to buy anything off the shelf. So for instance, this Panda Express ingredients, they have hydrogenized vegetable protein. They have things that I can't pronounce on here. So lactic acid, I don't know quite what that is. That doesn't sound very good to me. They have phosphoric acid, dehydrated garlic sounds good. So they do have some things on here that I can't pronounce and can't say. So just one of the examples here is another. This is a French garden salad dressing. And so they have a lot of good stuff in the beginning, but then when I get to the end of it, they have a potassium sorbate and a sodium benzenate and a calcium disodium ETA. I can't even say these words. So it sounds like a whole lot of chemical names to me. If you know what they are, let me know, because if I can't pronounce them and I don't know what they are, they kind of make me a little concerned. This one, some wing sauce. At the last ingredient, it says calcium disodium ETA. I guess that's the same thing as what they had. And next to this one, it says preservative. So this one has some ingredients I can't pronounce as well. It has corn syrup in it. That's not quite a good thing in my book when I'm trying to do some clean eating. So I'm not ditching on these products. I mean, they do taste really good, but if you are trying to put better for you, less chemicals or preservatives in your body, I am curious to try out this brand and their products. I got mine at Sprouts, so I'm not quite sure where you shop and what stores you have, but if you go to their website, they do have a store locator, and I will tell you where you can find what items. So I know Target carries certain items, so different stores will carry certain things. So I am gonna cook up these vegetables, and we will come back in a second and try it out. But if you have ideas on what else you could make with these, and I should have probably looked at the website, I'm sure they'll have some recipes. I'm curious to know, besides a stir fry, dipping some raw vegetables in here, if you're a vegetarian or vegan, what would you put this on? So I would love to hear some of your ideas. See you back in a couple minutes once I've cooked up my delicious lunch. Hi, so I just got done cooking my veggies. I stir-fried everything, the veggies and the tempeh, until it was cooked, and then I added this right at the end. So I'm actually curious to try the sauce before I actually try it with the veggies. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my spoon. This way you can kind of also see what it looks like. So it does definitely have the sweet, kind of balances out the spicy. So you can have like that little bit of the burn, but it's not crazy hot. But I guess that depends on your taste. I think for my mom, anything's kind of spicy, but for me, it's like that really good, sweet, spicy balance. So I can definitely see this, like maybe over some cabbage. Kimchi, cabbage and onions, you can kind of make that yourself at home. And then this is my veggies after I've cooked it, and my tempeh. So we will try a pepper, see what it tastes like with some veggies. Super flavorful. Try one of my tempehs. Yummy, yummy. It's really good. Very flavorful. I would definitely be buying this product again. So thank you so much for sending me this sample. I am very excited to try some of your other sauces that I did notice at Sprouts that they had. So let me know how you make this. I'm always looking for some new creative ways to cook. Obviously I'm not a chef, haven't been to culinary school, and so always looking for ideas, things to spice up my palate. But definitely better for you products that I can put into my body. So if you have some sauces and brands that you like out there that doesn't have all those preservatives and things you can't pronounce, let me know. Always great to hear your ideas as well. So thanks again so much for watching my channel, and I hope that you enjoy this product.